Hello, I'm Carolyn Sailors with Expert Village, and I'm here today to tell you how to make broccoli and rice casserole. Okay, it's cooking good now, so I'm going to go ahead and put the mushroom soup in there so it can finish cooking with the broccoli. And just stir it up in there. I always fix this dish every so often because my whole family likes it. And it's quick and easy. And I just let that simmer a while. I put a little water in there to get out the rest of the soup. Just let it cook a little bit.